How's your jaw? Is the pain bad? Look, Gabe, I'm really sorry.
What?
Did you rehearse that move?
No. Only in my mind. So, need a manager for your underground cage fighting career?
Gabe, I'm really sorry.
How many bones have you broken? Like, on other people?
Dude, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Don't apologize. I'm fine. Now that we're talking about it, guess I never realized.
That I'm a crazy person?
No, come on. I never realized what your life must have been like. On your own.
It was fine.
You know, when I pulled you off the Mac and you hit me, I was angry. Then I thought about how you took him apart. Like you've done it before.
Kids in foster care fight a lot. I learned how to defend myself.
I'd say. I can tell there's something going on with you. Something troubling you. Maybe it's time you open up.
I want to talk to Gabe, but what can I even say right now to explain what happened with Mac?
Growing up in the system was hell. In my first foster home, an older boy followed me into the bathroom, so I pushed him out. He got angry. So did I. Then I broke his nose. I was 14. In the second home, one of the other kids committed suicide. And I couldn't eat for a month. After a couple of weeks in the fifth home, I got so depressed that my new parents sent me to a hospital. I never saw him again. The hurt follows me everywhere. It's the other kids get adopted, leave the system. Not me. They never picked me. I'm broken.
Do you really believe that?
Wouldn't you? After all this time, it's hard not to take it personally. And it just keeps happening. It never stops. Then I look at you. You've got a home, a job, a girlfriend. Got it all figured out. And I don't. Is that for me?
It is now.
What is this?
A reminder.
Looks like a match to me.
That was the last matchbook I got when I was still in juvie. Did some pretty unsavory stuff to score it.
And you still have it?
Yeah. I carry it with me everywhere. When I got out, I went through the last few matches real quick, obviously, but I could never bring myself to use the last one. It reminded me how bad life got. And how much better I was going to make it.
Gabe, I can't accept this if it means so much to you.
No, that's exactly why I want you to keep it. When I found Haven and Charlotte, I couldn't believe they were real. Everything before was such hell. Now it's different. You can do the same. Start a new life. You made it out of the system, Alex. You survived. It's time to move on.
Maybe you're right. I came to Haven, after all.
Exactly. That's the first step. Don't forget, I'm here to help you. That's not going to change.
So, when were you going to tell me about the guitar?
Oh, shit. You found it. It was supposed to be a huge surprise.
Surprise?
Well, what do you think?
I really appreciate the gesture.
What?
I don't know. I haven't played in forever.
That's okay. You have plenty of time to practice. When you're not handing out beatdowns.
Okay.
Oh, hey, dude. What's up?
Hey, is Ethan up here?
No. He was heading home.
He was, but I haven't seen him in a while.
You don't think...
Maybe? Fuck, maybe he did.
What is it?
I think he went up to the mountains.
If he actually did, we need to move. Now.
Let's go. Ethan? Ethan! Come on, pick up, pick up.
Alex. This way. Wow. Been a while since I was up here.
You don't do your ranger stuff around here?
Private land. Outside of my jurisdiction. Dad brought me up here a bunch when I was little, though. I was his miner in training. That was back before mining meant blowing the tops off mountains. Any luck?
And touch base with the safety team up at the site. They're gonna postpone tonight's blast until we find them.
At least we're not racing the clock. Hey, you good?
Charlotte's gotta be losing it right now.
Hey, she's tough. Always has been. Come on, let's take a look around.
This kid. Can you imagine the shit we would have caught from Dad if we'd done anything like this?
Hey, we're gonna find him.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Hey, thanks again for your help. Could have been a lot worse if you hadn't kept me in the loop.
Of course.
I'm gonna go take a look around. Let me know if you spot any sign of Ethan.
Sure. I can do that. How was Ethan planning to get into the mine? Something tells me those two weren't the best match. Landed a job on my first day. Maybe this fresh start is still salvageable. Haven has an indie movie theater. Impressive. That's Charlotte's dispensary. She seems cool. Ryan seems like a sweet guy. Will we, though? Cool. A murder barn. Nope. 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 Super nope. Maybe Julie McNamara doesn't need your approval. They were gonna set off charges tonight. Thank God Gabe got a hold of them.
How is the rubber zombie the least creepy thing out here? The real monster here is underage drinking. You don't realize until you're up close, but mining equipment is super murdery. Hey bro, wanna get wasted at the old mine?
My joyride in this will have to wait until after we found Ethan.
Probably not as fun to ride in as they look. It's pretty beaten up. Wonder what happened to it.
I got you. I got you. It's okay. You're okay.
Oh, God. Oh, God, we're alive.
Is that everybody? I need a head count.
Jed was terrified, but he kept his cool and saved lives. I guess. That's what makes him a hero.
Alex warned me. I could have stopped this. I'm such a fucking fuck up.
Gabe cares about Ethan so much. We have to find him.
Come on, Ryan. Everyone is depending on you.
Brian won't let his fear get in the way. I'm glad he's here. Wow. Once Ethan's safe, I'll raise one too. Imagine being trapped down there. Or actually, don't.
What happened here?
Massive cave-in. Bunch of trapped miners. All nearly died. Jed led the whole team back to the surface.
God.
Yeah, that's the day Foreman Jed became local hero Jed. And then Typhon closed up this site, basically bought Jed the Black Lantern.
Huh.
Same logo. Did Ethan base his comic on this place?
Nothing obvious. Maybe we should...
Notice anything?
No shit.
I'll be damned.
The whole story is about Ethan's character breaking into a monster stronghold deep underground.
Sounds like the mine to me. Does it show where he went?
Not sure. The comic ends with the monster hunter climbing a watchtower, which shows him where to go. There. The silo. I bet that's the tower. That's where he went.
You're a genius.
Yeah. Great find, Alex. Gabe, you want to take a crack at unlocking that gate?
I'm on it.
We should also be able to get to it through the processing building. If we can find a way in.
Let's take a look then. Okay. Ethan based his comic on this place. Maybe I should compare his drawings with other stuff in the area. imagine being trapped down there. Or actually, don't. I don't see Thanor riding around in any minecarts. Kind of a missed opportunity. They were gonna set off charges tonight. Thank God Gabe got a hold of them.
Glad Thanor didn't try to get any superpowers from this chemical sludge.
Unless there's a dead guard in that barrel, I don't think this is right. My teenage drinking spot was a Denny's parking lot. Who am I to judge? My instincts say no, but I feel like I'm close. So if the zombie is here, then... Okay. If the wall is an illusion... If Ethan really followed the path in his comic, finding him just became a lot more doable. Gabe's on the gate. I should see if I can make sense of the comic. Gabe, you really are a good dad. Ish. Guy. Any luck?
Been a minute since I tried to break a lock. I've lost my edge. You really think the comic's gonna help us find him?
I do. Ethan seems like the kind of kid who filters everything through his imagination. If we can see this place like he did, I think we'll know where he went.
All right. Let's do it then.
Let me know if you find anything, yeah?
Ryan seems like he knows what he's doing. Glad he's here. Is there something behind it? Wait, so did Ethan? Oh man.
Think there's like a side door back there?
I don't know. You can guess there might be.
Give me a hand.
Okay. You figured that out from a comic book. I'm gonna try to get the lights on. You try to figure out where Ethan went.
Ethan must have come through here. How did he get out? I'm 100% sure that if I picked up the receiver, there'd be like a demon voice on the other end.
Anne? You okay?
I'm sorry to call you at work. I just came home from the doctor. I couldn't wait for you to come home.
Baby doll?
I'm pregnant, Jed.
Anne, Jed's wife, Ryan's mom. Where did she go? Have I got some good news for you? What?
It's a long shot, but there's a couple disconnected wires in the box. A red one and a blue one.
Go with red. It's always red.
Okay. Well. Nope. Nothing.
Dang. Back to the drawing board.
Kind of want to push all the buttons. Also, kind of scared to push any of the buttons.
Be careful walking around in here, okay?
Noted. Ugh. Let's hope omens aren't really a thing.
I think I just saw.
Ugh. Worse than sleeping on the ground. Nope. Thanar doesn't battle any bed bugs. So much stuff just left behind. This thing has seen better days. Ryan seems like he knows what he's doing. Glad he's here.
I'm not confident this is gonna work. Ow! Damn it. I hope Alex is right about this comic thing. We're burning minutes here.
I hope so too.
Well, it was worth a shot, I guess.
Ethan must have passed through some other way. Let me see what I can figure out. If Ethan didn't get out through the door, how did he get out? Maybe it's full of Twinkies. Those never go bad, right? Hi, scary old building. Please don't collapse while we're inside you. Thanks. Wasn't in the comic. Oh yeah, these look safe. Ethan must have gone upstairs.
Pretty sure Ethan climbed these stairs.
Okay, but then how did he get out of here?
Not sure. I'm gonna have a look.
Okay, I'll stay out. But not because you told me to. wasn't in the comic. We passed caution like an hour ago. So this place was a death trap when it was operational too. Cool. Cool. Not in the comic. The silo. We're getting close. Reminds me of the snake thing in Ethan's comic. Ethan made the jump from here to the conveyor belt? Oof. Think I'll find another way through. Looks like Ethan climbed the conveyor belt out to the silo.
Yikes!
Maybe there's some way to open the door.
The silo. We're getting close. Worth a shot.
Heads up!
You figured out the door!
Yeah, turns out you gotta open it. Who knew?
Will wonders never cease?
This thing has seen better days. Thanks for nothing, giant yellow button. Brian seems like he knows what he's doing. Glad he's here.
What took you so long? You never forget how to break a lock. It's like riding a bike.
Where to next, Alex?
Thanor looks out from the watchtower and spots the secret entrance to the stronghold. If we can just... There. That's where he's heading.
That's by the ravine.
Shit! Let's go! We close?
Think so. Ethan! Ethan!
Ethan!
Ethan! Alex! I'm scared!
Ethan, I'm coming for you, buddy.
Wait. Hold on. Here. Ethan? You okay? Don't worry, we're gonna get you out of here. Just hang on.
Don't!
His fear is so strong. If I get near it,
It's no good. We're too heavy.
shit.
What about me?
Alex. Are you sure?
Remember how I taught you how to anchor a belay? Awesome. Show me. You okay?
Doesn't really feel like that's relevant right now, to be honest.
It's relevant to me.
Okay, well, I'll let you know when I figure it out.
I'm gonna hold you to that. Alex, can you make eye contact with me? I'm gonna tie this rope around your waist. The other end is tied around your brother. He'll use that stump as a fulcrum to feed rope your direction. Follow?
So far.
Awesome. You're doing super good. Remember, slow is steady, steady's fast. Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Hang on, Ethan. I'm coming.
You got this, Alex.
Go back! You'll get hurt!
I'm not going back without you. You're stuck with me till we're both safe.
Doing great, sis. You're real close. Just a little further.
Hey, Ethan? I'm here to help, okay?
No! Get away!
Shit. It's too much. I have to get him to chill out.
Ethan, I need you to calm down. Can you breathe for me?
I should never have come out here! I was so stupid!
Okay, hey, focus. Talk to me. You want to tell me how you got out here?
I was trying to cross to the other side. A log fell.
That's fine. That's okay. Let's talk about what comes next. Gabe's got us. We're not gonna fall. He's got the other end of the rope.
No, I can't move. If I move,
You're not gonna fall, buddy.
it doesn't matter.
He's not making any sense. I need him to calm down.
We can't stay here, Ethan. We have to.
It'll see me. If I move, it'll see me.
What's gonna see you?
You don't understand.
He's right. I don't. I can't help him if I don't understand what he's afraid of. And the only way to understand is to feel what he's feeling. Oh, fuck. I can't believe this is happening. I can do this. I can do this. Oh my God. What's happening? It's like I'm seeing the world through his eyes.
Warden wouldn't be afraid, but he's just a story. This is real.
I'm not just feeling what Ethan feels. I'm seeing the world like he sees it.
I brought all this stuff. None of it will save me. I could hurt the monster, but it's up to me.
Okay. He's not afraid of the fall. He's afraid of...
Shit. Can't let it see me. Can't let it see me.
It can't be real. Oh, but it looks pretty fucking real.
Hey. Hey, I see it too, Ethan. The monster? I see it too. And I'm just as scared as you are. But Ethan, we're safe. You know why? It can't see me. Bangle of vanishing, just like Ninth Warden.
I thought that was just a story.
Well, some stories are true, like monsters. So, you're gonna hold my hand, all right? As long as you're touching me, you're safe. Don't look down, okay? We'll be done before you know it.
I'm headed back. Keep tight on the belay, Gabe.
Not over yet. Oh God. Okay. One step at a time.
Alex?
Yeah, buddy?
I'm still really scared.
Yeah. Me too. But we can do this. One step at a time.
Okay. Do you think the log will break?
I don't know. But if it does, I am gonna hold on to you so tight, okay?
Okay.
They're good, man. Tight grip. We're close now. That's it. Come on. There you go. I got you.